In this video, I'm restoring the headlights on my 2012 Scion IQ. Now originally, I was going to do a basic tutorial using this restoration kit from the chemical guys, but it turns out that everybody on YouTube has already made that exact same video. So instead, I want to compare the results of this basic kit with doing an all-out headlight restoration using the steps that a professional car detailer would use. Can this kit provide the same results? Now the short answer is almost a yes. It's kind of mixed. I mean, the results look amazing using the kit, but there was a very noticeable difference versus the headlight that was restored using all those steps that a professional auto detailer would use. Okay, just to recap how the Chemical Guys restoration kit works. You first start off by taping the area or the painted area around the headlights as to not damage them. The headlight will then need to be thoroughly cleaned to remove any debris or any residue. Now the polishing kit that comes in this basic kit is designed for a drill. I do recommend a corded drill though, because you'll be running this thing continuously for 10 to 15 minutes. The headlight restoration paste will then be applied to the disc, and then you're going to kind of spread it around across the headlight. Now you can go ahead and spin it up. Now I'm not going to lie here, keeping the disc from walking around took some getting used to. For this particular headlight, I broke it into 3 different sections that I focused on. Overall, I spent just over 10 minutes polishing the headlight. From there, we'll clean it off again to remove any remaining debris. Now to seal the headlight, I'm using this product here that's called Jet Seal that was offered to me as an add-on when I purchased this initial kit. I'm going to apply it to a microfiber cloth and just smooth it onto the headlight. And here's what it looks like. But here's how it compares to the other headlight, the headlight that we polished using a much lengthier process. Looking closely, the headlight that we polished with the basic kit has swirl marks and imperfections on it that we were unable to polish out, thus limiting the amount of clarity. Essentially, the small polishing pad that came with the drill did a good job, but not as good as 3 different polishing discs attached to a professional grade orbital polisher. The steps for the professional restoration were pretty much the same when it comes to taping and cleaning, except the first disc that we use is called a heavy cutting disc. This pad did a great job at removing some of those imperfections and swirl marks from the headlight, and it also removed some paint. The second pad that we used was a polishing pad, and this is basically the same type of pad that you received in the basic kit. The final pad that we use is known as a finishing pad, and we actually applied the Jet Seal into the headlight using this finishing pad. Now I can say there is more clarity on the second headlight, but you really have to look closely to tell the difference. I mean, the difference is so minimal that I'm debating whether or not I really need to go back and do the original headlight with all of these steps. The bottom line is this: the basic restoration kit from the Chemical Guys does a decent job for the price and the amount of effort. Hey, it's this guy. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.